Hi, I'm Meredith from Peachie Speechie.
And I'm Deacon.
And today we're going to show you how to elicit the K and G sounds using cereal. This video is made for SLPs, but if parents or students are watching, welcome! You might find this video helpful as well. The cereal trick helps kids keep their tongue tip down for production of K or G, instead of lifting their tongue tip up for T or D. This is a common error, and we want kids to keep the back of their tongue up for K or G. So if you have a student with velar fronting who keeps wanting to pop that tongue tip up for T or D instead of K or G, the cereal trick is something you might enjoy. Normally I use Cheerios with my students, but Deacon has requested Fruit Loops, so we're going to demonstrate with these today. So here's how you do the cereal trick. You take your piece of cereal, you place it in the child's mouth just behind their front bottom teeth, have them hold it there with the tip of their tongue. Great job. Say, keep your tongue in that position, hold the cereal, lift the back of your tongue up and say, k, k, again, k, again. K. Great job, eat the cereal. And that's it. That's the cereal trick. If you're working on the G sound, you can do the same thing and just give a reminder for them to turn on their voice to say G instead of K, and it's super easy. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to try this in therapy with your students, keep watching until the end. I'll have an activity with visuals you can watch with your students. The cereal trick and a bunch of other elicitation techniques and practice pages are found in my book, I Can Say the K and G Sounds. This can be downloaded at peachiespeechie.com and used immediately. Are you ready to practice with cereal? It's going to be so much fun. Your SLP will help you put a piece of cereal in your mouth. Every time you see a piece of cereal on the screen, say your K or G sounds. After you practice 5 times, eat your cereal and start over again with a new piece. Great job! Thanks for practicing. Bye!